guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna run through some of my favorite apps that I use for Shopify, and this video is sponsored by Debutify, so please check out the link in my bio. I'm gonna show you all behind the scenes on my computer, how I am using Debutify to upgrade my website as I am rebranding. You can check out our new logo and all of the new things that are happening via oso.shannon. So Shopify apps can really help to boost your sales. When you first open a Shopify store, it doesn't come with any extras, so it's just a basic website, but the add-ons apps that you can download for either free or pay for monthly can really help to boost your sales. And I'm going to show you some of my favorites that have helped with me and the growth of my business, and ways that I can retain returning customers and to get people that are on my site to actually purchase. And I've seen an increase ever since using these apps, so I'm so excited to show you inside my screen. So let's just get straight to it. I am currently on my website oso.shannon, and I wanted to basically show you some of the Shopify apps that I've been using, and also the benefits of the Shopify theme that you can download called Debutify. So this is what my site is looking like right now using Debutify. So I'm nearly done. I'm just trying to tweak a few things, but as you can see, it looks way more sleeker and professional just by using this new theme from Debutify. So what I really love about Debutify is, as I was editing the website, I thought I need to share this with everyone. So they have a whole bunch of really good apps that will help for you to increase your sales already installed within the theme. So you don't have to, like I usually do, download certain apps separately within Shopify and then have to download them and add them onto my website. When you have Debutify, it comes already with all of the apps that you would need to increase your sales. So I just wanted to show you that and then show you some of the ones that I have installed already for my Shopify store. But what I loved was this cart countdown. This one will let you know, okay, it's got a little timer here and it'll say order before your items are out of stock, and it also will give you a countdown when you first add to the cart. That's a really good one. I think it's called cart countdown. Yeah, here we go, cart countdown. And then it also comes with a back in stock app, which I already have on my Shopify store at the minute. But this just has such good ones. The custom currencies, you've got inventory quantity. So if you wanted to, when your customers go on your product page, if you want to show them that, oh, this item only has 50 left in stock, you can tell them that. You also have Sales Pop, which is another great app I currently use on my website as well. And Sales Pop basically is a way for customers to get that fear of missing out. So they'll have this pop up on the corner of the screen, kind of like this, and it will say someone in London bought this 3 hours ago. So it's kind of like, oh, people are shopping on the website, oh, people are ordering this is quite popular, and it will encourage them to buy because they're feeling more trustworthy in you and your store. So Sales Pop I already was using, so I was really happy to see that it was already included in Debutify. So if you guys are interested in Debutify, I'll leave the link for that down below. Now I'm going to show you guys some of the apps that I would recommend for you to download. So the first one I recommend is Back in Stock Product Alerts. This is going to send an email straight to your customer once the product is back in stock. So as you can see at the moment, I'm sold out of our pink bonnets. So what the customer is able to do when something is sold out, they can look here where it says email me when this product is available, enter their email address, and then once I on the back end say that we are back in stock, this app sends them an email behind the scenes without me having to do anything at all. It will send them an email saying that that item is now back in stock, order it now. And usually what you'll see is when you put some stock back in stock on the website, you'll get an influx of sales straight away, and that is because they have actually got the email from us to say that it's back in stock. So definitely download this one. The next one I'd recommend is Bundler. This one is a way for you to increase your order value. So right now I've got a mummy and me bundle set up. So if a customer orders a adult bonnet and a kids bonnet, they will save £2.98. It's a small saving, but I have bigger savings, for example, on my satin pillowcase. But if they were already going to be buying them together, it is good because it is a saving for them. So the other one I have is a satin bonnet and a satin pillowcase. You'll get it for £35, so that's a bigger saving. And these can all be customizable. Next, I would obviously have recommended to you guys Debutify, which is going to already have all the apps you need inside it. For my sales, I use Disco, and this is a way for you to increase and automate your sales. For example, we had our kids launch 10% off, which is now ended, but you can actually go into that and you can create a sale, create the discount, so it was 20% off, and I could schedule this to go live at a certain time. So I could schedule it to go live at 8 p.m. and then end it, say, at midnight if it was like a flash sale. Just put 23 for now, for argument's sake. And then it will show you the normal price will be this, and this is the discount price for 20% off, which is handy because sometimes I'm like, I want to do 15% off, but I'm not sure how much that will make my product be. So this just makes it really, really clear for you. And then you can make it for certain collections. So for example, if I just wanted it on the kids collection, it will just discount on the kids stuff. And then you can also, what I love is these call to actions. We have a countdown bar that will come up at the top or the bottom of your page, and it will say that the sale is ending in this amount of time. Check it out. And then this is for if you want to schedule and let your customers know that a sale is coming at midnight. You can say that, and then you can get them to enter their email address so that this app will send them an email to let them know that the sale is now live. That is a really good app that I would recommend for you to download too. Next is Judge Me Reviews, which again can be integrated with Debutify. But this one is amazing for reviews. It allows your customers to send images as well. So here you go, like I've got 61 reviews, and this all happens in the background. I've not had to email anyone for anything to do with reviews. Everything is automated, and you can change how long it should be until the customer receives a request for a review. Everything is customizable on the back end. Next, I would recommend pre-orders. So pre-order now is a way for you to create pre-orders for certain products on your store. So if something is out of stock on your website, what they could do is you can add a button using this app on them to pre-order, so they can pay for the item straight away, and then when it is back in stock you send it to them. So this is a really good one if you are not sure about a product that you want to launch, so you just put it up for pre-order and see how well it does before actually buying the stock. That is a look at some of the Shopify apps that I'm using right now. So that was a look at my favorite apps. Make sure you check out Debutify. The link is in my description box. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have used any of these apps, or if you have any recommendations for me, because I know there are so many apps out there that I could try. Definitely let me know, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.